Hi, today we're going to be learning how to make instant pancakes with vanilla extract and cinnamon. But before we start, we're going to learn a French culinary term called mise en place. Mise en place, what it is a system of preparation, as you can see here, which gathers, organizes, and prepares any necessary ingredients, tools, and equipment before beginning to cook. Before we start, what I'm going to get you guys to do is get in groups of 3. We can have 1 chef calling out ingredients and 2 cooks cooking the pancakes. The chef is going to need a ingredient list, okay, so they can cross it off as they call out the ingredients to make sure everything is there and in place. And we do our measurements as well. Measurements are needed to be precise, exact, so we're not free measuring as we go on. Hi, our pan is ready to go. Our batter is also ready. What we're going to do is scoop out about a 1/4 cup of batter and just clean off the edges just to make sure it's not dripping and making a big mess. So what we're going to do, once it's not dripping, go ahead and pour the batter into the pan. I'm going to make about 2 at a time right now. So I'm just going to grab another scoop, wipe off all the excess mix, and pour another one in. Okay, now if you have a griddle, you can obviously make more at a time, but right now this pan, I'm just going to make 2. Now what you want to see here as you're making pancakes is obviously pay attention to the outer edges. Once they start becoming dry and the pancakes start bubbling up, that's when you know it's ready to flip. Now my pancakes are ready to flip. Outer edges are dry. It's bubbled up. What you're going to do is grab your spatula, get right underneath the pancake. As you can see, it's not sticking anymore. And you're just going to quickly slide the spatula underneath the pancake and go give it a flip. Okay, and this is what you're looking for, a nice golden brown color. I'm going to go ahead and flip the next one. And again, nice golden brown. Now we're going to wait another minute or 2 until our other side is ready. And once it's done, we can plate it. All right, our pancakes are ready to remove. So what we're going to do is just slide it under again and plate it. Okay, once we're done, make sure we shut off the stove. And there you go. Some nice golden fluffy pancakes.